Welcome back, guys, to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, hanging out down at the inlet getting us these images. As you can tell, this Nortec is having no issues with Haulover, and it's a little bit of a calmer day, but we're going to see how the boats fare as they do battle with the inlet. Our first contestant to do battle with Haulover Inlet today is going to show you what it's like when you take the easy street through Haulover. In order to do that, all you have to do is hit Haulover up on a calm day and come rolling through in a massive CV like this one with quad 400s on the back. You should have no issues with Haulover, kind of like these guys have no issues with Haulover as they come rolling through. Things do pick up a little bit as they get offshore, but still not going to be any real trouble for this boat whatsoever, and this boat will easily take a win for the boats in the first round. Now, as we know, all boats are not created equal, and they will not all fare equally as well rolling through Haulover. Some boats will have broken dreams as they roll through Haulover Inlet, kind of like this crew right here. Obviously, this boat was not made to be a Haulover slayer, but once again, these guys are dreaming big and decide they're going to go out there and take on the beast and see how their boat fares. But like many boats like this, they come through Haulover and wind up leaving with broken dreams, kind of like we see right here, where this guy has already broken the seat on his friend's boat. Haulover comes out throwing a couple shots, and bam, he just lands the wrong way, and that seat is now broken, and he's going to have to relegate to the back of the boat. Sometimes Haulover just has a way of putting boats and people in their place, and Haulover will easily take the win in this second round. Our third round is going to feature some offshore hunting. Now, most people, when they think about offshore hunting, of course, are going to think about fishing and various things like that. Our version of offshore hunting is like this, trying to catch these boats well outside of the inlet as they make their approach. You can see it gets a little wild. This cat right here is having a fun time out there as they make their way toward the mouth of the inlet. I do got to give these guys a little bit of props though. Typically when I see these speed cats come running towards Haulover and it's a little bit rough, they'll start to slow down. These guys aren't doing that. If you look back even at the motors, you'll see some of those motors are bouncing pretty hard off the water, just showing you how much hell they're giving this boat. And as these guys enter the inlet, they don't take it any easier and easily take a win for the boats in the third round. Our fourth round is going to feature a Haulover first timer. You may be wondering how we can tell it's a first timer. Well, we can tell by the way some things are set up on this vessel. As they come rolling through Haulover Inlet, the girlfriend's barely hanging on, and we've got some items just placed in poor locations on the boat that you'll see go flying here as well. These are all signs that it's probably their first time rolling through Haulover Inlet. Here we'll see the girl's just not ready at all. That wave smacks her, she gets lucky, she holds on, but of course the items they have placed on top of the live well don't get so lucky and they go down for the count. And Haulover Inlet will take a light win in this fourth round. Even though the boat makes it out okay, they still learn some lessons that Haulover taught them. That's going to take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece, and who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? Our fifth contestant is going to show you what it's like when you come rolling through Haulover with the fam. Now these guys are coming rolling through a little slow, but they do got a full vessel and several people up in the bow of the boat, so that does make it a little difficult to come out and be a Haulover slayer. You do have to exercise a little more caution in this situation, but these guys are out there having a good time in Haulover, relaxing. But Haulover is being a little sneaky today, and it is a little rougher the further they get offshore than right at the mouth of the inlet. As you can see here, these guys are getting banged around a little bit now, but overall this vessel seems to make it out okay. The family had a good time going out of the inlet, so it's tough to give these guys a loss, and we're going to go ahead and give the boats the win in this round, and that'll give the boats the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gives us all this great footage down at Haulover Inlet, my channel Broncos Guru, where we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well, and of course our newest channel, the Miami Boat Ramps channel, that focuses on all the hilarious activity that happens around the boat ramps in Miami. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button.